come back to the farm again. You know, say I stop it there with another one, another video. Well, today I'm there in the farm I plant some cucumber and some melon. And no, if nobody plant melon this way, but this is how me do it. Right? So, as you can see me already. As you can see, people, I already clean up my land. You know, I'm prepared a little. Prep it a little. You know, chop down, if you chop down and make some of it burn out. And yeah, go way all the way down there. So the all of this a cucumber and melon me a plant tonight. Yeah, so as you can see right here, so I have my hole, I already dig up my hole, and I already do some planting in them. Then I already sow some cucumber seed. Well, not sow, I already plant some cucumber seed in it. You know, and this is how me do my farming. You know, I do I plant them in a row, like at least 5 to 6 hole in a row. As you can see, people. Yeah, man. So, yesterday I started. So, today now I go just finish up. You know, I go all the way down there to the end of there, so. There down there, so I don't know if you can see it, people. So, I go all the way down there, so. So, I go get back digging my hole then. This is how I dig my hole then. Plant cucumber and melon. You know, nothing too unique or out of the norm. But this is how I do it. So this is one. Yeah. Soften up the land. Kind of a hole, but you know, just plow it up like. So when I'm ready now for plant the seed them, I just come through with the cutlass and just put in the seed them. So I'm gonna dig some hole like this all the way go out there in line. About 5 of them. Out there to the end. About 5 of them. Like how I did over here. As you can see them in line. So I get back digging the other rest 4. And then I go come over here so now and dig some others. Go all the way down there. Alright people, so you can try that about 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 5. I put the last one here some people. So I'm gonna put the last one here so. So as you can see, I explained before. I have 1 there, so 2, 3, and this I make 4, 5. So what I gonna do? I put 1 more here so, and then start plant. Just about finished with digging the holes. So now I'm about to put in the seeds in the holes. Yeah, or I plant my cucumber seeds. Okay, it's a rainy season, so you got to know how to plant it. Because you know, cucumbers don't like a lot of water much, you know. Yeah, so you have to know to plant it in this time that you know we're getting a lot of rain down here in Jamaica. Yeah, you can see when I dig the holes them, you know, you can see the water in the dirt. As I said before, yesterday I did dig some holes and plant out some already. So what I do right now, I have to finish plant out the hole them. So what I do, I finish dig out the hole them, go all the way down there. I'm going to show you the seed them. Yeah, so these are my seeds that I'm working with. Sorry about the dirty hand. You know, farming me I do so. Hands them I go a little bit dirty. So yeah, these are the seeds that I'm working with, viewers and subscribers. These are cucumber seeds. Yeah, so now I'm gonna show you how me plant them first. What me do, like how the soil, like how we have so much, you know, as you can see, a lot of the soil is very wet. The soil is very wet, people, so you have to know how to plant cucumber seeds in this kind of wet soil. So what I'm going to do, how I do it when the soil is wet like this, or you know, any other time that I am planting, I don't put them, I don't bury the seeds too deep under, you know, I don't bury them too deep, like half inch, like about that. That is okay, as you can see. That one, you cover it just a little, not too much, because you know, well, you know, you don't really want to bury them too deep because the soil is too wet, and when the soil is too wet, the seeds can decay instead the seed bursting. Instead of the seed bursting, you can get the soil, the seeds rotten. So they will rotten because of the water. The seeds will rotten because of the water, people. So you have to know exactly how to plant cucumber seeds and melon seed and certain kind of seed in these times, because the seed will go rot because of too much water in the soil. Yeah, I don't want to bury it too much, you know. So when you have, if you have plant your seed, you not bury it too much, my people. Yeah, drop another one there, as you can see it. Yeah, people. And I drop another one right there. You know, I drop one all around it, people. So when them burst, I can get cucumbers coming right around. But we've been having a lot of rain from the other day, so I have to know how to plant in this kind of weather, my people, especially cucumber. I'll be planting some melon seed just along down there as well. So I'm going to cut out that piece of grass. I'm going to plant out this one. Going to plant this one. Make sure that the dirt is, get rid of those lumps from outside, from in the hole. These lumps, I don't really want them in there. Just cover them a little, as I said, about half inch or quarter inch. Not half inch, but about quarter inch. You're going to put them about quarter inch. That is a good depth, like, to place them so that you know they will grow for sure. So that one, so that is it. Just going to put a few more in this one. Yeah, like that. So that's about okay. Me I go plant all the way, go up there. Up here, so I already plant out up here, so I just go plant out that little space here, so with them here, all here when I dig. So I gotta do this quick and fast. Put one there, 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 there. Put one there also. So yeah, that's it. All the way down there. So overall, this will be my little cucumber field, my little cucumber farm. So in about 3 to 4 days, all these cucumber seed that I plant I go burst. So this will be my little cucumber farm. Right over there, I'm going to clean up over there as well and plant cauliflower over here. So I'm going to clean up right over here. Go a little closer. Yeah, in this bush here right here, I'm going to clean it up and plant cauliflower, people. Cauliflower, broccoli, pak chow, and just some other vegetables. Finish plant out just about that leaf. Finish plant out them all there, so, and you know, after that, just call it a day.